Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at QQ and SPY as for the indices, and then we'll take a look at individual tech stocks as well: Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, Meta, and Netflix. Market is ripping higher and higher, and no problem. That's what we have been expecting, and we have been just riding the wave in that direction. Before going further, I also want to let you know none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. All right, let's start off with just to show you around with my bots. So my day trading bot, this is on QQQ. You can see the data on the left side table, and today also net profitable day. And yeah, data for the last 30 trades is on the left side. And this is on SPY, today also profitable, and then data is on the left side of this table for the last 30 trades. This is Microsoft, also net profitable, and today was also a profitable day. I'm just going to pick and choose here real quick, guys. This is Meta, net profitable as well, last 30 trades, and today also was a good profitable day. And then Netflix, good net profitability and also good profitable days. There are red days as well, but it's, all in all, we are still coming out for the last 30 trades on all these stocks net profitable. But again, I just showed you some of those. If you have access to my tools, you already know this. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 indicators and 2 trading bots. All right, now let's quickly jump into the technicals here, and let's start off with today QQQ and SPY, and then we'll jump into individual tech stocks. So QQQ, Nasdaq 100, we have been plainly, clearly, cleanly, purely, everything bullish, guys. So this was the level I was talking about, 460. As long as we are above that, the structure is still bullish. You can see any pullback that came there is just got bought back up. There is no structure to the downside, guys. QQQ can stay bullish. If any pullback comes, that will be below 460 if it doesn't break above all-time highs. Otherwise, yeah, above that, it just can continue higher. So yeah, we are just still bullish on hourly interval. Yeah, we never broke. So this was the area I was talking about. If we break these levels like 460 areas or something today, some cool off may come to 200 hours moving average, but we never broke those levels, stayed high, quite up. So still technically bullish. I mean, at this point where it is right now, the safer trade intraday is if it gets above 465, it's a long. Otherwise, anything below 20 and 50 hours moving average can give tomorrow at least another a choppy or cool off day. But structure is still bullish, as I just showed you on the daily interval. We are above 460. So structure still on QQ is bullish. Whenever structure is bullish, you can buy the pullbacks with the stop loss on the other side, right? SPY structure is still bullish, and as long as we are above 532, and in this case, if we are above 20 days moving average as well, structure is still bullish, guys, on SPY. Right now, I'm not seeing any structure to the downside. Accordingly, if any position needs to be taken, can be taken at the pivot into the pullback with the stop loss on the other side. Principles are the same. I'm just telling you here what the structure is looking like, and SPY is also bullish. And SPY would show very similar traits just like QQ as well today. So it will be safer to trade SPY intraday long if we break above 536 tomorrow. Otherwise, if we stay lower than that and start to break this 20 and 50, some cool off may come down to the level of 533. But remember, structure is still bullish on SPY. We are very bullish. There's no weakness on SPY. Microsoft, unless level breaks, but yeah, I already provided you those levels. Microsoft, full on bullish once we got above the level of 418. Microsoft just has stayed bullish. There is no sign of downside right now. Yeah, I mean, at this point, some cool off will only come if we break 425 and 34 cents, but not just that. That is for tomorrow. I mean, we need to also lose 20 hours moving average. Otherwise, no. This thing can just still stay strong, keep going higher. Taking a look at hourly interval, you can see we found support at 200 hours moving average. Just continued higher. Right now, I'm not seeing any signs of downside. It can continue higher if it wants. Apple. So Apple had their event today, and it did a sell-off. Right, so let's take a look at some technicals first on the daily interval. We are rejecting overhead resistance of the trend line. Where did that trend line came from, Junior Trader? Well, this is a long-term running trend line. Actually, let me actually take you to the weekly interval for that. And yeah, this is some time ago I have drawn this, right? This is where we have had these pivots on this longer term. right? So we are right now rejecting there, but hey, this is, on weekly interval, Apple is still bullish as long as we're above $186. There's no structure change to the downside on this. So going to the daily interval, so yeah, we broke that trend line, but guys, here's the thing. Yes, this is quite a deeper pullback, and that came with the break of level of 196 and 41 cents. But watch this 20 hours moving average still. As long as we are still above that, technically still holding above also this structure of 192, it's still technically in the bullish range. So if we need to see more cool off, we need to break below 20 hours moving average. Right now, structure is still higher highs, higher lows technically. Yes, today is a deeper pullback. That's why you take the profits in the extension. You can try when the price action confirms, like on lower intervals, double bottom and things like that. You can try to buy at these important levels with the stop loss on the other side. But once the lower time frame confirms that, and you know how to see that, if you have seen my videos, you know of that. All right, Google. So Google doing a bit of a dance today. Sold off, but got bought back up quite interestingly. And actually, it's quite interesting how it got bought back up today. There are some huge candles as well. And my bot was profitable as well on this. If I don't know if I showed you on Google, but you can see we were profitable. And also on last 30 trades, we are profitable. But you can see that spike really benefited us quite nicely. All right, and yeah, so we are still, yeah, Google is though guys bullish. The way it has closed, as long as tomorrow it stays above $174.60 area, we are intraday also bullish on this, and on daily you can see it's finding support at that 20 days moving average, right? So I'm not seeing any signs of crash or weakness on this right now. All right, Amazon. So Amazon, it's still bullish, and the structure back to the upside was above 180 as soon as we got above that, and it has been just going higher and higher. Yeah, so near-term structure break was like if we break below 182, it never happened. It just found a support there. That was just a pivot because structure was still bullish. So, and we have been going higher. All right, it's still bullish. Meta is also bullish since the time we got above 50 days moving average. It's just plain bullish, and I have been saying that structure is still bullish, higher highs, higher lows. No downside in sight in my opinion right now. And yeah, let's take a look at hourly interval. And the thing is that Meta, even if it does any pullback, it has a good support sitting at 497 and 57 cents. This may just continue higher. It is still bullish. There is no structure to the downside on Meta right now. I'm not seeing any. And Netflix, last stock for this video, and found support at 20 days moving average, guys. That's that. Never broke below that. Structure has not even broken to the downside, guys. Technically, structure is still being bullish, higher highs, higher lows. Now, here's the thing. If anytime, well, look, it's not swing bearish, but, and also intraday is looking bullish at 20 days moving average. If we lose 20 days moving average, there can be some intraday cool off that may come down to 625. If we lose that, some cool off intraday may come to 50 days moving average, but these are still the good support areas. Once we lose 50 days, then these intraday cool-offs may also turn swing shorts. We'll talk about that, but that would be below 626 if any swing short has to come, but otherwise, no. Take some partial profits in these extensions, and taking a look at intraday on Netflix, we have closed a day above 200 hours moving average, so it's not bad, guys. It's actually looking neat and nice. It all comes down to if it can keep holding that 20 days moving average, and if it can continue higher. Those are the places to take position with the stop loss on the other side, and then just take partial profits. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. Also, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.